Hi, today I'm for a new OnePlus 10T and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So now we can see that we have just here the fireworks animation, fingerprint sensor animation, and if you want to change it, first we should open the settings and then tap to password and security. After that, click here to fingerprint, enter your password to draw the pattern, then just tap here to fingerprint animation and switch your just animation from one to this available ones. After that, just let's go back to the lock screen and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen animation, the fingerprint sensor animation on our OnePlus device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.